we have a problem with the government we have at the moment in this country, which has been running our country since 1980. They don't respect the view that a constitution is higher than other laws. They take the view that a constitution is like any other law. If I am elected, my first target is the constitution. If I want to show that I am in power, I am in government, I must do something about the constitution. If you are a minister of justice, constitution. That's the mentality of our politicians. And here I'm speaking as Prof Madhuku, the Zimbabwean citizen. The problem we have is a group of, and I'm not sure whether this only belongs to those who happen to be in the ruling party. It can be to all of the politicians. A constitution, we are in power. We ought to change it. Now, in 1997, a group of Zimbabweans, and I'm happy that Priscilla is here, and Apul, I think I got a bit younger, or but Priscilla, I don't remember, and a number of people here. We came together in 1997 to found an organization which was premised on the view that a constitution is not just like any other law. That a constitution is above other laws. That the making of a constitution must be different from the making of other laws. And when you want to make a constitution, you must involve the people. And we coined the expression people-driven. It became the most popular expression in this country. More like Zama without Poland, people-driven constitution. What did we mean by that? We meant that it's not about what the current constitution is saying, but if you want to do a constitution, involve the people. At the time we founded the organization called the NCA, the National Constitutional Assembly. Then it was a civic. But we said at the time, the constitution we had was a Longest House constitution. We had a very strong leader. We know him. He's late. He rests in peace. We don't want to, I just don't want to demonize him. But it's not by former NCA, Pangapani Mtungamiri Simba. I am Robert Mugabe. I told her, kana tiri power basa redu ndene kugadzira mutemo including the constitution. Akazwa with people driven. Here I know address a meeting kuzanu pay headquarters. And I know these things. When we get to research and put them across, I know Mugabe's speeches, very brilliantly made. But they were very clear. Mugabe was clear that we, those who are in government, kokutonga kudi kana tisikakwanisi kuchinja constitution. So he would go to a rally. ZANU-PF people will say, that was in 2000, vachaenda in parliament, pakafoma opposition, ikatora masitsi akawanda. Munada in 2000, 57 chichi. Then vanhu vanga varuza ZANU yaramba ichingoita masitsi akawanda 120 chichi zvaitwa kudhara. Vaingoita 1 or 2 vaita opposition, 3 people. Dongo pamwe nani one time. Then vanhu voenda kuna Mugabe, vakuti nzvimbo dzedu dzakatorwa neopposition. Mugabe akati haiwa hazvinetsi, we will amend the constitution. We are going to create a senate. Aitora ari kuchiredzi kwangu nerally ikoko. And so open like that. Achitobva kuchiredzi, by the time helicopter yake yakudzika panapa muHarare muno, minister wake wejustice ipapo ainzi Chinamasa anenge akutoendesa amendment yechi the constitution. Is that clear? Mugabe is addressing a meeting of ZANU-PF politicians who are complaining that we have lost. And you have won. Says, no, we will introduce a senate. I told her, the messages that I can say WhatsApp. I don't know why why don't tell you already? Can I minister of Mugabe justice? President, what are you to amend? What time draft a bill reaching requirement a constitution? Within 4 or 5 days, Panagapatuan a gazetted amendment number 9. Apa asaina paanenge asaina na Joshua Ngomoti taita unity 1987 amendment number 9. So every amendment Yeah, we are on the philosophy that a constitution can just be done or undone as long as we are in government. This position has not changed. And I think that's my feeling. We are doing our best to Poland. We are doing our best to Poland to take advantage of every power. Kuti vasiyane nepfungwa iyoyo. Tinonzwanana. Tiri kuti kuna ED. Whether we succeed or not succeed, tutaura zvatiri kuita iko. Tiri kuti kuna ED. Siyana nenyaya ya Mugabe yekuti constitution inoitwa paunodira. Is that clear? We are saying to the government that is there now, please undo this mentality. Undo this mentality that you can make or unmake a change. That's what we are currently seized with that. So please, let me say this. As an expert, a constitution ought not be easy to amend. That's from an expert point. If you then decide to amend it, it must not be the business exclusively of the government of the day.